To make your own DIY tensegrity structure, you will need some popsicle sticks, some glue, a crafting knife, some thread, a pen, and a ruler. Firstly, arrange 3 popsicle sticks in a triangle and glue them together. Make 2 of these triangles. Now mark a slanting line on a popsicle stick. Now cut the popsicle stick along the line that you have marked. Make 2 of these. You will get something like this. Make a hole on the end of each popsicle stick and glue them firmly to the triangular frame as shown. Now connect the corners of the triangles together with thread. Did you know the largest tensegrity bridge in the world is Koushik Bridge in Brisbane, Australia? Did you know there is a 12-meter high tensegrity structure at the Science City in Kolkata? Glue the knots so that they don't get loose. Now tie the holes in the middle popsicle sticks together and glue the knots for extra support. When you're done, you will get something like this. But if you place it in just the right way, now let us test its strength. The strength really depends on what type of glue you use. Hot glue will work the best. So our structure held 1 plastic plate and 24 blocks. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.